Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. Today I'm going to show you the purchase I just recently made. It is the Ktaxon 4500 PSI high pressure 14 ounce lubrication grease gun. It's considered portable, heavy duty, professional quality, and a pistol grip grease dispenser kit. It's anodized aluminum barrel with flexible hose. I bought it through Walmart. It's not actually owned by Walmart, but a company that they represent online. And it normally sells for right at $40. And I got it for $22.34. So I'm satisfied with the price. It came in this box through the mail. Pretty thick cardboard and heavy duty staples in it. Unlike the typical steel, the barrel is aluminum, which saves weight over the traditional steel models, and it has plastic grip, which is nice, and a pistol grip, which is retained with this metal ring. Gives you plenty of leverage, and it has a 12-inch tube and a spring on it to help reinforce it, and it's got a nice cover on the end of it to keep debris out when you're not using it. It also has a straight, that's about a 5-inch extension that you can use also to further extend it. It's got an air relief on the top, and you can feed out of this opening here, it looks like. There again, it has the pistol hand grip, so you can get a better grip and probably grease more as a result. It's like I said before, it's a 14-ounce cartridge, and you can load it two ways, either using a cartridge or in bulk. On the end it has a tab lock here. There again, this grip helps in taking it apart. Spring loaded, of course. Now it doesn't come with a cartridge in it. There's your release tab. The operating pressure is 4,500 psi. Colors are red and black. This is actually more like an orange to me, but it claims it's red and black. Weighs 1.2 kilograms or 2.65 pounds. It's comes new. See, the dimensions are, it's 15 inches by 6 inches. I guess that would be this dimension here. 3 inches diameter. Now, disappointingly, it does not come with any kind of a manual description on it, which to the usual user, that's probably not critical, but that's one thing to consider. So it has this nice metal ring to keep the pistol grip closed for storage. Nice heavy aluminum head on it. There again, vent. And this looks like an Allen screw you can remove to then feed out this way if you want. There were no shipping fees on it, and I got it within a week, fast delivery. And again, shipping was free. This is typical through Walmart, I've found. I'll leave a link for the page that's shown on in Walmart if you're interested. Okay, so I've taken this apart, and one thing I want to know, this end on here is an umbrella-like shape, and it's not, you're not able to flip it over. Older units, this can be flipped over, and then that allows you to put it back in and then actually suck, putting the handle on and sucking the grease in from a barrel of grease into the canister. So this is not set up to do that, but it does. Instead, it has the connection here that I showed, where you can hook up a line from a pump that's on a barrel and then pump the grease into here if you don't want to use cartridges. So I got a cartridge, got it from Walmart. It's moly lithium grease, and for my John Deere it recommends at least the grade 2, which this is grade 2. Has the end that you pop once you put it in the canister. This has a nice heavy-duty spring on it. And then, as I pointed out before, it's got a release right here to release this. Once you push it together, and the spring will lock under this tab, then you push this tab and it'll release it. This was made in St. Louis, Missouri. So we slide this end in. Pull off the tab. One YouTube video, dude said you probably should put a little bit of this grease in the top here to maybe help prevent air pockets. I don't know if it'll matter or not. Flexible hose attachment. Tighten it a couple turns with a wrench. There comes up the end. I'm ready to grease. This was recommended in the top 5 reviews of grease guns by the site Grease Gun Best Grease Guns 2021 Buying Guide video, and I'll leave that as a link. This was I think this was number 5. The other ones were heavier, more heavy duty, but this one was definitely recommended to buy.